In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert multiple XML files using XLT, and I will also demonstrate how to get rid of non-Latin characters in file names. So we have a folder which holds a couple of XML files, and what we want to do, we want to find this string inside the XML file and replace it with Latin characters. So the way it works, first step is set up the variables. So we have target and source folders. Then we loop over the files using mask. We save the file name into put value. We extract the clean file name using file metadata action. Basically, the clean name is the file name without any directory pass. It's just the file name. Then we actually perform the transformation. So I have, again, we have source file name, which is taken from the variable. Then we have XLT file, which I will add to the video content. And we have, video comments. And we have the actual script which calculates the file name. It's very simple, just replace this with that. And if you want to tweak it or replace something else, you just add another line and do it this way. So let me run it. And this time it didn't work for some reason. This is because I have deleted XLT. It's probably in the bin. Yeah. So let me check if it is back. Yeah, here it is. Let me try running it again, see what happens. Okay, this time is worked. And if I go to the folder called target, the file name is correct. And date modified is today. Okay, I hope that this example wasn't too complicated. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and post them there. And as usual, we would be happy to assist you. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.